my god, the next icon box curator is the Vanessa Hudgens. Look how gorgeous she is. If you have an icon box subscription, today is build your box day. This is so exciting. Plus shopping add-ons, let's do it. All right, Vanessa, what do you have for me? Let's check out my power pick. Huda Beauty Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. I was able to shoot for our icon box shoot with Vanessa, and she used this iconic London Lip and Cheek Cream Trio on set. It looked so beautiful on her cheek. She also uses Il Maquillage palette, and we even have a tutorial coming for you soon using this. I love everything so far, but this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Stick and Champagne Glow is calling my name. As you can see, I love to glow. Volition stuff never lets me down, so I'm very excited about this. Let's do our first choice. I mean, off the bat, can you guys see these products? We have brushes, we have a palette, Fenty Skin, NARS Gold Fatten. This NARS lip color is so smooth, creamy. It's a very thin consistency, but Fenty Skin Fat Water Jumbo. This is the Jumbo. I cannot say no to this. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one. All right, we're moving and grooving. Let's choose our second product. This brow product is really amazing for getting every detail. I love to use it right here in the front of my brows. MAC Lip Pencils, iconic. If you like to go a long time without washing, like 5 days, see this product right here by IGK, you need this. Soaks up so much oil and it makes your hair look so fresh. But my girl, Kate Somerville, I've used this in the past. It's super, super high value and I think I need it again. Boom, let's lock it in. So let's go ahead and move on to the third one. They made it easy for me because there's a rose body oil. As you guys know, I love rose, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this by Jurley. I got all my color in my power picks and I got all of my skincare in my choice items. So we're gonna move on to add-ons. Fun call out here, some of these products you might have seen in the power picks, but you didn't get. If you did not get them, you're gonna have a chance to shop them here in add-ons. I'm just gonna show you some of the ones I got. Juliet Has a Gun, e.l.f. Lancer. Are you joking, Lancer? You guys need to pick this up. This is a super high value skincare brand. So excited about this high frequency one from Dermalectives. Look at that value, $299. I have to add that. Literally don't have enough time to show you everything I got, but I'm gonna complete my box. I actually cannot believe this. I literally got everything I could ever want in this box. Skincare, makeup, even a high frequency wand in add-ons. Vanessa, you never steer us wrong. I think this is the start of something new. Make sure you guys head to IPSY.com or the app right now to build your box, see what Vanessa has for you, shop your add-ons, and make sure you share this screenshot with us so we can share it with the world.